I know I want my man to come out. Msjulzb, she's been antisocial. Say, mummy's not been antisocial. Can't leave a comment below. Say, mum, next time don't be anti. A letter in the post box.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be safe, why make you clean so? Y'all be safe, why make you clean so? I grade smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman a fit, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them what a jive. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like Doremi. Me want every y'all out halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if far from them can't see me. Inna the front, man a squeeze up them girlfriend kitty. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we no use.
Because she's always leaving it in shops. Now she's just looking around like, where is she actually looking at? Maybe she's actually shopping. So look, she's just like, she's proper looking around for a tree. Or maybe she's actually shopping, you know, so no, actually, she's looking around for the cat. What is she doing? Oh, she's not waiting for me to come out because she knows that I'm gone with you. That would have been such a funny prank. That wouldn't actually bang. That would. Bye. Wait, no, let's hide it. Let me hide it. And say, Mum, what's the phone? Let's run to that. Run. You know what we did? We stole your trolley because we're saying, why do you keep on leaving your trolley like that? Mum, you can't use your thing there. Use your card. You have to use cash. You can use my card and then give it back to me. Mom. Why make the devil wicked? Me don't never say no. Hey, my new Julz, my old Julz, my in between Julz, what's a poppin'? Hello, hi.
If you give your heart to me, I'm gonna let you go. Where I'm gonna do you, Sabasa, baby, trust me.
Big tune, what? And you feel too fine. And I'm about to send me out, see?
Shocky, me say Al-Qaeda, baby, dancing for me and shocky.
That's a new style. My foundation is on my collar. Anywho. Don't you rock now with me? It's up.
I'm the player that you're talking about. Do you really think that you can work it out? I guarantee you, shorty, it's real. When you stick it out, here comes the man of steel. Doing it,
song on the King of Party back in the day. What? Hey, what's it? Oh, sugar. Mom's in hiding today, guys. You can say hi though.
Hi, me Julz, new Julz, all Julz, between Julz. I'm my Julz.
Hi, Mommy's Julz. She's saying hi. You can't hear her because of music, but she's saying hi. Hey, what's up? What's popping, y'all? Leave me a comment. I want to know how has...
American man, you talk about popping.
Guys, listen, yeah? Mom hates it when I say what's popping, but it's just something that's grown on me. It's just grown in it. Like I've just grown on to saying it. I like it. I didn't catch it.
You're American.
What's popping, y'all? My granddad's American. Tell me something. Tell me something. Tell me something now. Okay. Cat's got your tongue, yeah? Msjulzb, she's been antisocial. Say, Mummy's not been antisocial. Can't leave a comment below saying, Mum, next time don't be antisocial in the
If you
vlog.
say that, then I'm gonna vlog. Let me hear you.
Right, say it again.
Right there. If you say that, I'm gonna vlog, so put your comments right there, please.
Okay, so you hear that? She will only come on the vlogs if y'all leave a comment below.
20 comments.
Rotted. She's so brave. 20 comments she wants with saying, put Mummy on the vlog. 20, or else you won't be seeing her for a very long time.
My creation. Like me, Julz, people want to move these things about. Me, Julz, you like? If you want, you can place your order.
Another order to place, you know? Place your order if you want custom made shoe flowers from my mother herself. Okay? How much is it? £15? £15 per order. Plus postage. Watch here, or if you're local, you can deliver. Woyo! Go there, go there. Has to be a light dinner because the belly is serious, Msjulzb. The belly is serious, man. The belly is serious. Julz, what's popping? So back on the road again. Yes, man. We're gone right about now. And you can't really see me cause night time. And not really night time. It's like half that yet. So yeah, night time. Sometime in a bit. Street now, yeah. And if any idiot wants to be preemie, like say he wants to do me, I'm joking. Bless his little con, so he probably never want to do me nothing. He's probably just looking at me to say, oh, I've never really seen her before. But either way, you don't look continuously, like you just look and look away in it. Like, give me my space, bruh. Have some manners, bruh. You know what I mean? And obviously I'm not really one to like walking at this time of night, isn't it? Because it just ain't really my flavour, you understand? So if I'm seeing you pre me a certain type of way, I'm gonna be like, yo, not yo, but I'm thinking like, I got a story time to tell you about that one right there. The reason why I'm breathing a bit heavy, because as you can tell, my nose is a bit blocked. I got the flu. Woo, free. Whoopsie, bloody. Msjulzb has got the flu. And Msjulzb is dropping a letter in the post box. Look. Okay. Let's continue our journey. Alright, so where we head? What the f? My area's getting bare weird, like. Do you know what? It actually don't come out at night time, so I don't remember my area being this spooky. Anywho, what was I saying? Yeah, so right now I'm heading to. Bruv, you see how I keep on looking back? You gotta look back nowadays, you know. I always just tell my girl, like, when I walk I don't look back, but now, bruh, I be looking back. Can't trust nobody. You can't. Yes, for all of y'all, if you don't know what the English bus look like, see it here. Yes, you ain't that y'all just look bad and nasty. And people are paying tax when they get paid and thing, and then can't clean the bus. Out of my. But before anyone comes at me in the comment section about this coat, listen, it's cold. This is my go-to coat because it's damn warm. Thing about having a sniffle, yeah? If when your nose is very itchy and you want to sneeze and you can't sneeze, father, no sir. I know I'm a man to come out, you know, a joke. I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. I'm a very good girl. Okay, you're not too nasty. You're not too bad. Look at me, I water, Father God. No, sir. I'm really sick to do. In my bed, me should have there. In my bed. Anywho, guys, I will catch you later, innit? Cool.
And that's when I get friendly with us. When I get friendly with us. Friendly with us. When I get friendly with us. Why does it sound so slow?
Yeah, it does sound slow.
Doesn't it?
It does. With my babe.
Long time, you know, long time.
Long time, but we're still friends.
Hey, I mean.
In the front, man, I squeeze up them girlfriend TV. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky, but we know you.